Hi there, this is a quick tutorial on how to switch out your birthday half-birthday cards so that you can send different cards to people every year. This is best practice is to take care of this sometime in January, that way you just know it's finished. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you have not picked out a birthday half-birthday card and design yet. So we'll start by coming up here to the design store. And we're going to search for birthdays, and it's actually birthday, keep it singular, and it will show me all of the designs that are specifically for birthdays. There is one that I have found that I really like, I'm going to use, and so we just need to find it. If you haven't spent time in the design store, it's a great idea. There are many, thousands actually, of different designs for all different occasions. And we have awesome designers that are always adding new designs. And so it's a good idea to spend some time in here. So I'm going to choose this one, a shapely birthday set. I just like this design. And I send a card on the birthday and then a card and brownies on the half birthday. So all I need to do here is click Edit Design. And because I've already purchased the license, if I hadn't, I would just purchase it here and then click Edit Design. Make sure it looks exactly the way I want it to look. This is the inside top. That's a cool design. Then here on the bottom, first name, happy birthday. I hope this year is filled with nothing but joy, adventure, and success. All the best. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I like to add my signature as a PNG file with the background removed. There is a tutorial on how to do that, so make sure to check that out. That way it looks like I've actually signed the card. So I'm going to go ahead and shrink that down. I use these little handles to make sure that you can see the whole signature. It doesn't need to be that big. There we go. And we can just move it over here. I like to turn it a little bit. That way it looks like I actually signed the card. And then let's see, on the back of the card, super cool. I am going to go ahead and add two little pieces of text. I'm just going to put 310-993-8536 and Rusty at rustysrealestate.com. Those of you who have seen any other training videos that I've done, you know that I am not a big fan of plastering my logo all over everything. It just feels a little insincere when I do that, but I do like to provide a little bit of contact information. That way, if people do want to reach out, they have that handy so they can do that. And so that is that. I'm going to go ahead and save that, then return to saved projects. Now, I've already created a custom half birthday card and brownies right here. They're living in my saved projects. So I'm ready to go ahead and switch out the card and brownies for my birthday half birthday campaign. So I'm going to come down here to the campaign builder. So I need to find the campaign. I have a lot of campaigns, and I know the fastest way to find it for me is to come right here where it says birthday half birthday campaign. And I come over here to options, click edit campaign. And you can see half birthday card and brownies 175 days before the birthday. And then this is what's going out. And then my birthday card goes out 7 days before the birthday. And so I'm going to go ahead and edit this shipment. And the trick is to you can let this stuff, as the page reloads, this will all disappear. And I need to adjust this because I want this to go out 27 weeks before the birthday. And then I'm going to add a project. This is my half birthday, so I'm going to call it half birthday. And I have this Marie Antoinette. This is a 5x7 greeting card. I think it's pretty funny. And then I'm going to add another project, which is the Marie Antoinette Half Birthday 2021 Designer Blondie Brownie. Add birthday, and you can see it populates there. And then I just go ahead and remove this and remove this, save shipment, and then I just repeat the same thing for the birthday card. I click edit. The trick is to add the project first, the new project first, and then remove the old project. So we're going to call this birthday. What did I call it? Copy of birthday shapes. Click add. Remove from shipment. Save shipment. Wait for the internet. And that is it. So pretty quick. Hopefully you can have it done in, you know, less than 10 minutes. And get back to building your business empire. Thanks so much for watching. Go give somebody else an awesome day.